In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix MoonPay app login error. So if you're trying to log into MoonPay application but you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Also make sure you provided the correct email address during the sign in. If you provided the correct email address, you'll be able to receive the verification code in your email. You can simply enter that login code in order to log into your account. So providing the correct email address is also important. If you provided the correct email address but still you're not being able to log in, there might be some problem with the app. So in that case, what you have to do is update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for MoonPay. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for MoonPay and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your MoonPay application will be updated. Now go ahead and try logging into your account. Your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for MoonPay and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option, storage and cache. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of MoonPay application will be cleared. Now your login problem should be solved. But if the login problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix MoonPay app login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.